Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. A good deal. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.